Imagine this. You're a talented professional, doing well in your current job, but you feel that itch for something more. More opportunities, more growth, a bigger future. You've built a strong career in fields like finance, sales, or operations, but now you're ready for a change. You look at the IT industry and see all the possibilities, innovation, growth, and exciting challenges. But there's a problem. You start wondering, do I have what it takes to move into IT? The tech world feels intimidating, right? People say you need coding skills, a deep technical background, and tons of experience with unfamiliar tools. After spending hours looking into it, you're left feeling lost, unsure where to begin. It's a common challenge for people who want to change careers but need a clear and simple plan. Switch2ITJobs was created for people like you to break down those barriers and guide you step by step into the IT world. No matter where you're starting from, let us be the torch that lights up your bright career path.
Welcome to Switch2ITJobs, where we bridge the gap between non-IT backgrounds and successful careers in the tech world. Here at Switch2ITJobs, we're all about transforming your career with business analyst training. We know how overwhelming it can feel to switch to IT, especially without a tech background. That's why our programs are designed specifically for people like you, motivated professionals ready to take on new challenges and unlock the doors to a fulfilling career in IT. Our students have footprints across all top companies in the IT industry.
Here our approach is simple yet highly effective. We understand that switching fields can be daunting, so we start with the basics and guide you step by step. Here's how we make it possible. Zero coding needed. No coding, just the skills that matter. 8 key concepts only. Focus on essentials to save you time and effort. Career transformation. After training, you'll speak with the confidence of an experienced business analyst, applying your 1 to 5 years of prior experience in a whole new way. 1 month to completion. A structured, intensive training program designed for fast results. Mock interviews in preparation. Hands-on support and feedback during interviews. Expert trainers with 15+ years of experience. Learn from industry leaders with deep knowledge. On-job support. Guidance even after training to ensure a smooth career start. Our training isn't just about theory, it's a complete journey that leads to a new career in IT, with the practical experience top companies expect in business analysts. At Switch2ITJobs, we are proud to have our students placed in top companies across the IT industry, with some securing exceptional salary hikes, often reaching 100% or more from their previous roles. Here are just a few examples of the incredible packages our students have secured. 40 LPA at JP Morgan, 24 LPA at Tech Systems, 25 LPA at Customer Analytics, 20 LPA at Arcadis, 20 LPA at Zoetis, 16 LPA at Ciclum. And these are just a few examples. Hundreds of our students have successfully transitioned into lucrative roles as business analysts with top companies worldwide, enjoying massive salary increases and incredible career growth. We don't just train you to meet industry standards, we empower you to exceed them. Don't just take our word for it, listen to what our students have to say.
క్లాస్ అంతా కూడా చాలా ఇంటరాక్టివ్గా ఉంటుంది, ఓన్లీ వన్ వేలో ఉండదు. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్రోచ్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా డ్రైగా బోరింగ్గా అస్సలు ఉండదు.
అన్నీ ఆన్ పాయింట్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏమీ నాన్ సెన్స్ లేకుండా విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ క్లియర్ కట్గా ఉంది. చెప్పినంత సంతోషం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది కోర్స్ నాకు కూడా కొంచెం చెప్పాలంటే నా మీద నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెరిగింది. ఓకే, మనం కొట్టగలం పై జాబ్ అనేది.
But I felt like SIT was very close because the way Santosh gave the demo, it was very interactive, and even the layman person can understand how the training goes.
And this course has helped me understand what business analysis is into detail.
I can say that it's a good transition from my previous career opportunity, whatever I had.
There are many people who teach BA but not in this transformative way, which is very important for us because
I'm from Madhav batch. Madhav has understood our batch problems, so he started teaching from scratch to high level.
It's like the best part about Santosh is he explains every single topic with so much patience.
Thanks again, and it was a very informative session and the course was very good. and on top of that, this interview preparation is more of a chance for us to get placed.
My photo will be next to your scoreboard soon. Thank you for everything.
I would like to say one thing about SIT. They have delivered what they promised. Like right from the demo, whatever they promised us, they are delivering continuously. In fact, post completion of the course, they are right after us to crack the interviews.
In the market, these days we find fraudsters who hide everything under the blanket and no truth is revealed, where you spend lakhs of rupees. If it is not going to be transparent, I'm not going to be here. I would definitely recommend it to everybody.
He always told one sentence, don't hesitate, please ask some questions, and motivates me like that. And he is always such a wonderful patient. He's always focused on, and thank you so much, Santosh, to clarifying my doubts actually. So guys, please watch the podcast and recommend it to your friends or family, cousins or something. And I'll do the same from my end too. And thank you so much, SIT, Santosh sir, and Madhav, and Aslam, and Nagaraj sir too. I said thanks to SIT once again.
Hi, I am Nagaraju Maddala, having 20 plus years of experience in IT. I am the trainer at SIT. I focus to train the freshers and entry-level IT professionals on IT production support to get them into IT jobs. We are proud that till date, SIT has been delivering these trainings for 6 plus successful years, and more than 80% of these trainees secured their jobs in IT field. Our SIT Institute's mission is to provide finest courses to help people to fulfill their dreams joining into IT field. We do provide mentorship assistance with each individual student. SIT Institute fosters collaborative learning experience to each individual to grow in IT field. Happy learning at SIT.
Hey guys, I'm Madhav and I have over 10 years of experience in IT. I'm a trainer at SIT where I oversee two key programs. One is business analysis and the other one is project management. At SIT, we are dedicated to helping our trainees transition from non-IT career to IT career successfully. So feel free to visit us and check out our website and our Instagram page to learn more about us. We are looking forward to meeting you all and are excited to help transform your career into business analysis and project management program.
Hi, I'm Aslam and have spent the last 12 years working as business analyst and product owner. Whether you are starting out or looking up to level up your skills, I'm here to share everything I have learned. At SIT, our mission is simple yet impactful, to bridge the gap between the talent and opportunity by equipping individuals from non-IT backgrounds with the skills, confidence and resources needed to thrive in your career. So if you are ready to boost your career and get hands-on with the skills that matter, join us and let's learn together.
My name is Krishna and I am the sales manager here at SIT. So for me, sales is not just the revenue or the targets. It's all about the educating the clients with our solutions to resolve the problems. We never force any customer to purchase our products and services. We always try to resolve the problems and have a solution to improve their career and their life also. So we give the utmost service to each and every customer. So whenever you have any issues relevant to our training, our platforms or any other technical issues, me and my team are always here to support you guys. So without any doubt, join SIT and enhance your career to next level.
I started my career in a non-IT background, working in banks and several other non-IT jobs. I was always searching for something more, but the path seemed unclear. I took multiple courses in Amirpet, Hyderabad, hoping they would help me to land in a good IT job. At first, I lacked clarity on which course to choose, so I ended up joining random programs that did not help. While some courses were good, the trainers were not up to the mark and the support I needed was missing. I ended up doing 6 different courses and spending 8 months in Amirpet, but unfortunately it did not work out as I expected. I was completely disheartened and for a moment I almost gave up. Then a friend of mine introduced me to the business analyst role and that's when everything changed. I decided to give it a try, and once I understood the value of the BA role and how it perfectly aligned with my skills and experiences, I knew I had found the path I had been searching for. I worked hard, learned everything I could about the role, and soon enough I started seeing the results. I landed in high-paying roles with top organizations like CES, HSBC, Amazon, Deloitte and IBY Complex, and had the opportunity to work in global locations such as the UK, Dubai and South Africa. All thanks to the business analyst role. I'll forever be thankful to that friend who opened my eyes to this opportunity. Without his guidance, I would have never made it this far. That's why I started Switch2ITJobs. I wanted to help people who are in the same position I was, struggling to break into IT or find a career that truly fulfills them. Over the years, we have trained thousands of people and have seen how a career in IT can completely transform someone's life. If you are feeling stuck, if you are wondering whether IT is for you, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is. And with the right guidance, it can change everything for you, just as it did for me. We have built a strong team here at Switch2ITJobs. We are committed to sharing this journey with you, and we will be with you every step of the way. Together, we'll open doors to endless possibilities in IT. Your journey to success begins now, and you won't have to walk it alone. The only thing standing between you and the future you deserve is the decision to take the first step. Make that decision today, and let's transform your life together.